Hi everyone, here's a short video to show you how to use the Notebook LM study tools that you need to use while using your chapter, while uploading your chapter. So the first thing you're going to do is upload or download your Chapter 1, Introduction to Psychology Careers, the first chapter. So you want to download that someplace on your device, on your laptop or something. I usually just keep in the downloads folder, so that you know where that's at. Okay, so then you'll need to open up your notebook study tool. Okay, so you want to open that up. And that is right. Let's see. Hi everyone, this is a short video to show you how to use your Notebook LM study tool that we're going to be using in this course. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download the current week's textbook, which you can download it and have it saved to your desktop, to whatever device you're using, your computer. You're going to need that to be able to access it. Then you're going to go over to your Google Gemini and you're going to click on that, and that's going to pop up your notebook. So you're going to say, okay, manage notebook, and you're going to do a create new notebook. And the title can just be Careers in Psychology. We'll just put that as our notebook. So we're going to create a new notebook. And then you will open your notebook. And it asks you to upload a source to get started. So that's great. We have our source downloaded. I have mine in my downloads, so I'm just going to click on that, and there it is right over here, Chapter 1 of Psych 112, and that's our course. So here's the thing, is that each week you'll have access to the chapter that we're studying for the week, so you'll have to download each week and add that to your notebook, okay? So, and create that weekly. So we've asked you to do a couple things in the notebook, and one is an audio overview. So you'll want to have that download. Now that might take a minute to download. Sometimes it does. And when you want to use it, you'll just kind of click it right here. It's going to generate your audio. And so that might take a minute. So we're just going to kind of talk over some of these other options here. And you'll notice that you're required to do the audio each week and a quiz each week. So you'll be generating both of those, which are on it's basically the same ideas, that you just click on those, and it will take what's in your chapter and deliver it in either a quiz or the audio format. And then you're going to be asked to do a different one each week to discover how each of these work. So this is pretty exciting. I think you'll find it really interesting. I noticed that sometimes when it's taking a lot of time to generate the audio, and I don't know if this is the case for everyone, but if you click on the refresh, sometimes it will come a little faster. The audio does take longer, so that will take a little bit of time. I'm also generating the quiz here as well, because you'll be doing both of those this week and each week after this. So just a little idea of how to use the Notebook LM. And if you have any questions, please talk to your instructor. Thank you.